Then we start the next part, that is the equation of continuity. In that equation of the continuity, here the law of conservation charges holds good. Here the law of conservation charges means the in, the charges are neither be created nor be destroyed, they can transfer one place to another place. So that in that the net charges is always conserved, and that net charges is known as the law of conservation of the charges. In the for the direct current in a circuit such as shown in the figure, if we consider the closed surface at the part of it, then we see that the charge flow into the surface is equal to charge outflow, which means there is a no net charges, so that here given del dot j bar is equal to 0. Consider the volume V. In that charges are present. Here consider the volume V, in that charges are flow. Then if the charges are flow, then the their current is present, so that our charges are flow outward, then there is a decreases of the negative charges, so that we have to consider that is a negative sign. Here this equation is charges are inward to the is equal to charges are outward. So the charges are inward is given by integration of s j bar dot ds bar is equal to minus dou by dou t integration of v rho of v into dv. Here j bar is a current density, rho of v is an charge density. Negative sign, just I already told that negative sign is represented in that volume, the positive charges are decreases, so that we take that negative sign. So then this surface integral is converted to the volume integral. So we have to consider the Gauss divergence theorem. In that Gauss divergence theorem, just surface integral is converted to volume integral. So we have to consider the Gauss divergence theorem. And that Gauss divergence theorem is integration of s j bar dot ds bar is equal to integration of v del dot j bar, that divergence of j bar into dv. Just we put the value of integration of s j bar dot ds bar, that is equation number 1. Here that equation is minus dou by dou t integration of v rho v into dv. Put this value in this equation, then we get integration of v del dot j bar into dv is equal to minus dou by dou t integration of v rho v into dv. In that volume integral, here volume integral dou v is there, then rearrange the terms and cancelling, we get integration of v del dot j bar into dv is equal to minus integration of v rho dou rho v by dou t into dv. Integration of v, integration, closed integration over the volume v and into dou v dv, integration of closed integration over the volume v into dv get cancelled. Then we get the equation of continuity, that is del dot j bar is equal to minus dou rho v by dou t, that is equation number 2, and this equation is represented as the law of conservation of the charges.